Hi, sixth graders. I just wanted to do a screencast to explain this assignment to you so that you understand what you're doing this week. It's actually really easy and it'll only take you a few minutes, but I just want to explain it so that everyone's clear. Okay, so I'm thinking ahead to your future at the high school, and I know that as you're going through the grades at the high school, and really starting in seventh grade, teachers will ask you to write opinion pieces, um, a piece of writing that contains your opinion on a topic. So I wanted to show you a resource that we have that could help you when you're writing opinion pieces. Um, so one thing you could use, because we've been covering the databases for a couple of years now. I've been here for 2 years at Vernon, and we've covered Britannica, our information encyclopedia database. We've covered Kids Info Bits, but I have one more resource that I want to cover with you, and that's News ELA. So News ELA is one of our ClassLink apps. We have it right in ClassLink. You can get direct access to it, and it's very easy to find in your ClassLink. Right now, my ClassLink won't open, so I cannot show you this, but I've gotten to the site already, so I'll show you how what it looks like, okay? And you may know this site already from English language arts throughout the years. Okay, so here's what you're going to do for this assignment. We are going to imagine that a teacher has asked you the question, should school lunchtime be extended? Now, you may have an immediate answer to that in your mind and say, oh my gosh, yes, school lunchtime should be extended. We need more time to eat lunch in the cafeteria. We need more time to socialize. You may have an opinion in your mind right away when you hear that. But in order to write a piece, you may need a news article to kind of back your idea or to give you some more evidence as to why students should have longer for lunchtime. And by the way, you may have the opposing idea. You may feel like lunchtime in the cafeteria is too long. So either way you go, you may need some evidence to back your idea. So here's how we do this. You could visit News ELA, and we want to figure out how to search this topic. Your teacher's question was, should school lunchtime be extended? Now, you can't write that whole question in the search bar on News ELA because it's too long. So you need to think of some keywords. Instead of writing the whole sentence like you would on Google, when you're dealing with a research database or when you're dealing with News ELA, you need to cut it down a little and use key phrases instead. So I made up a list of research questions and keyword phrases to help you. In this case, should school lunchtime be extended? You might use the phrases need for lunch or lunchtime limits. I use those two as keyword phrases. So now let's go to News ELA, the website. Here's what it looks like. You'd click in through ClassLink, and we're going to search lunchtime limits. We're going to use our keywords here, and let's see what we come up with. Okay, so here are the top entries that we come up with. The first one says, shut down by coronavirus, schools scramble to feed students. Now that's not really what we're looking for. We're looking for something about the amount of time students need to eat. So the second article says, research shows that students need at least 20 minutes to eat lunch. There we go, bam, perfect. There's a good article that could support the idea that students need a certain amount of time for lunch. So this article would be perfect. Now, here's what I want you to do. Back to the assignment. You can read this on your own. Your assignment today is going to be to go to News ELA. You're going to search each one of these questions I've posed for you on slide 2. You're going to search the topic, should school lunchtime be extended? You're going to search the topic, are graphic novels just for kids? And you're going to search the topic, are video games helpful to your education? You will use the keyword phrases that I listed on the right side to help you find the articles. As soon as you find a title of an article, you're going to put it on slide 4. So here's slide 4. This is the slide I'm going to be looking at when you turn it in. Should school lunchtime be extended? Go to Newsela, search using the keywords, and then tell me what article you came up with. In this case, we just did one together. The article title is Research Shows That Students Need at Least 20 Minutes to Eat Lunch. So you would go to your 4th slide, and you're going to type that exact title of the article right here. Okay? Then I will know that you used the keyword phrases, you found the article, you found an article to support that idea, you were able to locate it, and then all you have to do is type the title right here. So I've done the first one with you or for you, and now you're going to do the next 2 on your own. My directions that I just explained in the past 6 minutes are right here on the 4 slides. It's easy to do, okay? This is a quick assignment. This should not take you longer than maybe 15 minutes, okay? All right, so good luck, and I'll see you later at our Google Meet. If you're watching this on Friday.